Hey YouTube, it's Brooklyn Bones and I'm here back with another video. This one is going to be on to how to create this eye look. I feel very unicorny-ish, purplish. I feel very vibrant. I really do. This is like one of my first looks like this. So a little close up and then we're going to get it started. Alright, let's get it started. Alright, so I'm going to start off by putting on my foundation, the base, the everything, and then I'm going to start doing the eyes, so we'll get back to that shortly.
Trust me, girl, I know you wanna be so true and breathe you. Your whole world of staying gold is so special. The very few of you left are the best. Girl, you wanna know what makes you so amazing? I'll tell you, the fact that you want to be new is the same fact that makes it true. The few left are the best. It was always you. It was always you. It was always you.
Alright, now that I have my foundation, everything on, my sleeves keep on getting caught in this darn chair. Such a cute shirt though. My friend gave it to me. Alright, anyways. So now I'm going to do something that I normally haven't done. I already did the primer for my eyes. So I'm going to do a colorful look based off the Conspiracy palette and the Controversy palette. I cannot wait until I get mine. I did have to pre-order, which today is Monday, so Tuesday. Today's Tuesday. I did have to pre-order the big one because of the fact that I couldn't get it, but I did get the mini when it first launched, so the mini will be coming soon and I'll be doing looks based off of that one. But today I want to go big, bold, and colorful, so I am going, ooh, yes. So I'm going to be inspired of it. I'm going to be using the Jeffree Star palettes, the Blood Sugar, and the Blue Blood, which are my ultimate favorites. I never thought I would use a blue palette so much until now. Gonna love scam calls. Anyways, so I never ever thought I was gonna use them so much before, like all the different colors. And now I am. I'm brave enough. I'm gonna dip into it because I cannot wait until I get the palettes. I'm super stoked and super excited. All right, so let's get this started. All right, so first, I'm going to be going right into the Blood Sugar because I want to start off with a purple and then go off from there with like pink tones. I kind of have an idea, but we'll see what this ends up being. You guys will know from the intro, but me right now currently, no clue. Alright, so I did get a bunch of new makeup brushes. Obviously, cheaper, Amazon, but because I'm dipping in a color, I had to get more. Alright, so I'm going to go in a little brush. So usually I would use my Urban Decay to spray and really set for Halloween. Holy moly, spraying a brush once, then dipping the palette made it last all night long. So that was phenomenal. But right now, I don't need the look to last all night currently, but that is my go-to for making it last all night long. So I'm gonna first by going into Root Canal into the Blood Sugar, that little light purple. And yes, I am messy when applying, but I always fix it at the end. I need to get one of those those tapes that everybody uses. You know what I'm talking about? Those tapes. So I'm going to try and scoot as much as I can closer. But I have now upgraded to my Canon EOS Rebel T6i. So I finally started using it. And I am trying to get used to it. I do have my boomer mic on, everything. But I need a really good software to edit my videos. So that is going to be the challenge. So I like to make sure both my eyes are the same process. I don't do one eye and then the other. Maybe one day, but currently I don't. Because I'm very even person. Oh, yes. All right, so that is the purple so far. I know there's a little bit of mess. Don't yell at me. It will get there in due time. Alrighty. So, oh, okay, what do I want to do now? I know I definitely like want a pink shade, so we're definitely gonna go into the blood sugar still. I definitely am gonna use some glitter from the blue blood. Oh yeah. Alright, so I think I'm gonna use Cavity because that is a very distinguished pink, and I'm gonna go in with that one. So that is going to go in the crease. And I'm going to start extending it out. I've been doing that lately, is extending it out. Kind of like a cat eye? What do you guys call that? Cat eye? My husband also had to tell me when he comes home, because I have to pause the video or the dogs will bark, and that's all you're gonna hear in the universe of things. Always the tricky part is the other eye when it's not the right eye. Oh, that is blending so well too. Alright, I just need to crease it a little bit more. Alright, send that out. Alright, so I'm definitely going to use the pink on the outer part right here too, which I have my favorite little brush. Like, look at this, it's so tiny right there. Like, it's perfect for getting right underneath those eyelashes and really getting in there. So we're gonna go into Cavity for that. And I think I'm going to feather it out a little bit. Same with the other eye. Oh, so pink. Woo! Definitely not used to using colors like this. Alright, so what do I want to go with a lighter shade or a darker shade? Alright, so I think I'm gonna go in with Sweeter. It was in between the two shades I want to use, still in the same blood sugar. As you can tell, I love using it. So my logos are actually almost disappeared now. So I am going to go in with this brush. Has a very light feel to the tip, so it should just be perfect for going right up here. Oh yeah. So I'm just going to round that part right there too with that shade. Same with the other side. Does anyone love like using the whole like part right there for their makeup? I am obsessed with it lately. Like completely obsessed. Like using that whole part just to get like a really good look. I'm just going to lighten that up with that color. Kind of blend it in. And I think I'm going to go in with an even lighter shade. Kind of still want the... Alright, so I'm going to go in with... Is there a more... I'm going to go with an Untouchable from the Blue Bloods palette, and I'm going to add that shade into the bottom of the pink from me adding it to make that like lighter, kind of like fade out. I think actually that's the first time touching it. Why have I never touched that color? There's like certain things you're just like, why not? Alright, and then I usually like to play with a little bit of color down the middle to add a really good zhuzh. So I'm going to go in with a smaller brush because I want it to be very minimal but still there. I'm going to go in with Crystal Flush, which is right there in the top of the lid in like the middle. I need to brush up on my terminology. It has been too long. Luckily I have all the books. Alright, so you guys can see me? Alright. So I'm just going to pat that down right there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I am loving that. Pat, 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 pat. All right, so I need to find a color to put into the middle, but I don't want to pop so much. All right, so still, I like how it's like one palette the next, not just like switching back to the other. They correspond so well that way though. All right, what? All right, so my pronunciation sucks right now, but I am going to go into this shade in the Blue Blood, which is the one with the diamond shape, the shiniest, the best. All right, so I'm gonna go into there. I've noticed with these though, in the Blue Bloods, you really have to like dab on the sparkle colors. It really gets on your brush though, but you just gotta dab. You don't wanna like go in, unlike some other ones are like really pressed, but the glitters, because it's glitter, you can't press it out that much. So I'm gonna go into there. Oh, such color payoff already. Blending it in. I feel like a unicorn right now. That's what I feel like. Whoa! Holy moly, that is really noticeable in the camera too. Wow! Definitely picked the right shade. So I really feel like this look does not call for any eyeliner or anything like that either. Like, I feel like it's coming very well together. I still have some cleanup on the edges to do, but that's no issue. So I am wearing eyelash extensions, but with makeup powders, it kind of demolishes, but I use my Great Lash, which is a water-based mascara, just to coat it with the black, just to ensure you can really see it. Ooh. Just very lightly though. All right, now that that's on. All right, and I'm gonna grab my handy dandy brush, and I use this one to just blend out anything so it doesn't look like a mess in certain areas. It's like my little cleaner helper upper. Fade that out more. Alright, I think I'm also going to go very lightly into that same shade I used in my inner corner and use it very lightly as a highlight. Because my highlight was not as dramatic for this look as it needs to be. Little on my nose, little there, little there, little there. Alrighty. And that is really messy. Alright, I'm going to try and attempt to put some white also in my inner waterline. A little bit. Alright, and I think I want to, ooh, yes. A little lipstick on now. Alright. To complete this look, I am going to use when I had my purple hair last Halloween, Creator by Maybelline. I'm going to use this as my lipstick because it's purpley and I feel like it'll tie it in very nicely. And so one more before I alright. Always the full effect. Oh yeah. Alright, so I'm now going to post this look and upload it. Woo! One of my first very colorful looks on YouTube.